watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks and Montgomery. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 135 has been issued from 8:10 p.m. until 11 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks and Montgomery. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Pennsylvania.